Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani,
and welcome to our Vlogmas number 1. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And welcome to Vlogmas number 1! Yeah! So we're trying to do Vlogmas this year. We didn't do it last year and we're trying to do it this year. Comment below if you want us to do this. By the way, disclaimer, I don't think we will be able to do this every single day because we have work Monday to Friday. We're not full-time YouTuber yet. So right now I'm just making coffee and Fabio made me breakfast. What's the breakfast, Fabio?
It's scrambled eggs on a toast. That's all. Simple.
With ham. By the way, Fabio made this fresh orange juice as well. So he's obsessed with making French orange juice. He bought like a juicer and he always buys orange juice.
The hand one.
How many oranges is in here?
3.
So today, guys, it's kind of like Fabio's day. I'm following him. He has a lot of plans. Fabio, do you want to tell us?
I'll surprise you in the vlog, guys.
All I know is we're shopping for his work outfit, going to Vienna for a work dance competition on the 26th, which is so weird. Weird timing because it's Christmas season and everything. Comment down below if you guys love coffee. I cannot live without coffee. That's why everywhere I travel, I always buy souvenir reminder from the place. So this one is from Ibiza. They said Ibiza. You guys know the drill. We're now getting ready to go out again. But while I was drinking my coffee, I was just on the couch sitting down drinking my coffee and watching some YouTube vlogs. Some of the Filipino vlogs that I watched was it's Raf. His name is Raf. He said that we kind of have to end this vlog early because we have to finish it and upload it by tomorrow. So I realized the time difference. There's a time difference. We have a lot of Filipino viewers and Philippines is advanced more than Canada. Philippines is 12 hours advanced and Canada is 12 hours behind. So you might see that all of the other YouTubers have uploaded their Vlogmas already and I'm just filming mine. So bear with us. I have a lot of dishes. I'm gonna wash some of this, most of this before I leave.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna check where's the place where I need to buy all my stuff to make my costume look a little bit better, and then I need to get a suit. Unfortunately, I hate dressing up, as you all know, but I have to for this event. It's a very formal event, so I need a suit, bow tie, and all this gear that I really do not like. Alright guys, so we got ready and now we're about to leave the house. I'm gonna call Uber in a second and hopefully it's not gonna be too cold. But our first stop is called Michael's. It's a place where they sell all craft stuff. I need to find some crystals to apply to my costume because I have a cheap ass costume because I don't get paid much. So I'm gonna try to make it look fancier by getting crystals. And yes, manager, if you're watching this, you can raise my pay. Thank you.
Let's do OOTD real quick.
This is my OCD of the day.
Wow, Fabio.
This Christmas socks.
Very Christmassy socks. Very Christmassy.
And then this is kindly given to me from my dad. Oh wow. Okay. H&M. What is this? Oh yeah, it is H&M. It's my pants.
And I got this from Banana Republic. Guys, I've had this scarf for 5 years now and it's still very, very nice.
You really can tell.
I love this scarf. I've been using it every single winter. Hey guys, we're here and now I'm just gonna look for the crystals and all the crafty stuff. So this is Michael's. It's a lot of art stuff.
I've never been here,
stuff. This place is huge. So the way Fabio is, he gets lost easily, especially at things like this or places like this where there's a lot of things.
I really space out very easily.
His attention just like
it goes
away. He said this is kind of sparkly. Bitch, that's sparkly.
I need like 1,000 because that's the average amount.
It's hard to find this thing that Fabio's looking for. So now we're going to the 3rd floor. This store is huge, humongous. Look. I said just get a variety of different ones. So get the sheets and get also the strips so that you can...
I will need the same type.
Do you guys have washroom here?
Yeah, 3rd floor.
Oh, okay. You should get some big ones to like put accent or something in.
Yani, I'm not a woman. This is like a men's costume and I can show you how they look.
Okay. I guess I'm a woman.
You are.
Sorry, I need to pee. I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
I'll take it. Should we buy a Christmas tree? Guys, comment down below if you want us to put up a Christmas tree. We don't have a Christmas tree, and every year we used to put out a real Christmas tree in our living room, and that's a lot of work. So maybe we can buy a small one, even this one.
That one is cool. Like,
how much?
It's 50% off.
It's 50% off. It's clearance. That one's nice too. Even or this one.
It's cute.
This one's nice. So the Christmas tree is only $39. Should we buy it?
Should we?
I mean, it's kind of nice to have a Christmas tree. Guys, this is awesome. I love Michaels. They have masks and they're all plain and you can decorate them.
Even sequins and stuff.
Yeah, they always have everything.
This is really the place for drag.
This is the place for drag queens. I'm not surprised if there are like millions of drag queens coming here to buy for gears and equipment and supplies. Oh my gosh. Vaklang toa?
Oh my god.
We should do like a project or something with paint. Like a video with paint. What's the idea? Comment below. So sparkly.
And if someone asks me at the competition, if someone asks me, oh, where did you? I had to make it myself.
We're finally done shopping here at Michael's. Fabio is just paying right now, so we'll wait for him. Wow, he's smiling.
Yeah, because it was the most awkward thing.
What happened?
It was so awkward.
Why?
Because she charged me double for each item and she would swipe it twice because the thing was so sensitive. So she was like getting embarrassed because she had to delete it and then she would put it in the bag and it would swipe again.
Oh my god.
And then the bag broke and then I was like, oh, the bag broke. And she's like, oh, okay. So she was all stressed out. She looked like me. Poor girl, poor girl. Then she asked me if I wanted to be a member of this place, Michael's, and I said no. But I said no a little bit late because I was still processing what she asked because I didn't really understand it. I never understand this membership stuff that they want you to apply for being member. Why member? So
They always.
So I was like kind of waiting, and then she was like kind of waiting. It was just very interesting situation. Anyways,
Off to the next door. Okay guys, next up we're in this theater store where they sell a lot of theater stuff.
yes.
Costumes. Guys, this store has everything. All the costume. How much are your rentals too?
So like a full tuxedo would be $165 plus
Okay.
tax.
So I was asking her how she finds things in here because there's a lot of things that you can find for costumes. Look at this. So yeah, they have a lot of things. It's crazy. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, they even have all the cultural things too. Alright guys, what's next, Fabio?
We still need to find that damn tie.
We're looking for a tie. Should we go to Chinatown?
So my main concern actually is the tuxedo, because the tie I can always stone one of the ties that I have and buy a new one.
My motto is always try to not buy a lot of things because to save money. So whatever you have at home, use that.
Exactly, I know, but I also really like that tie. I don't want to stone it and then not use it ever again.
Okay guys, we're off to Eaton Center to grab lunch break.
And then we're gonna go get
continue
my
shopping.
tuxedo, hopefully.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yes.
I swear to you, Yani knows how much I hate shopping. I don't
And
like
walking.
it.
He needs walking.
And walking just because of my hips, but shopping I don't like because I don't like unnecessary stuff, and I think wearing a tuxedo is so unnecessary.
Oh, there's an event.
Oh cool,
Do you want
let's
to check it out? I think
need
it's
to
a
see it
Christmas event. Oh guys, we didn't know this, but I think we went to it last year, remember? That's our first vlog, I think, actually. I bet you there's a lot of Christmas stuff here. Okay, let's check it out. I'm just here for the samples.
No, you're not. So you're actually not buying it?
I'm buying it.
He's buying it. So excited because I'm very hungry right now. Enough? You have one sample already. Get whatever you want to get.
I keep on forgetting.
And Yani,
Oh my god, it's minty.
thank you. Yay, we got it. Eating what piece now?
No, we ate it home.
Wait, I wanted one. Okay, let's
So many
go.
nice things to see here.
So many.
Oh, which one do you want to go?
I want stuff.
Oh my god, there's so much to see, guys. Let's take a B-roll here.
Look at Yani. Camera on camera.
Vlog on vlog on vlog. Don't you like this scarf? Look at this scarf flying around every time I walk. It's like a movie. Okay guys, we're off to Eaton Center to have lunch. It's freezing outside. But it's beautiful though, the Christmas market thingy. Hungry.
Are you gonna video that one? Sorry?
You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Yes, sure. Oh my goodness.
Guys, we found some viewers. What are your names?
I'm Blessing. I'm Maria. How are you? I'm so glad to meet them. We're so glad to meet them. And they're eating the soup that we fell in love with as well. So please.
Recommendation.
We recommend it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
You're
Nice to meet you guys.
The soup is not good. We catch you from the vlog.
We'll be like, we don't know what they're talking about. Oh, and make sure that you get the egg noodles as well, as opposed to the other noodles.
Okay, so beef,
Yeah.
egg noodles,
Beef
and
with egg
spicy.
noodles. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
It's so funny.
Thanks, guys.
I'm like, where I know you? You look so familiar. And then I'm like, I always watch you guys. I love your vlog. That's the reason why I told you. I was like, I was like, yes, get the beef soup.
Thanks, guys.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you. So, guys, this is what we got for lunch, recommended by our viewers.
It's delicious.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for recommending this one because it's very, very nice.
It's delicious.
Oh, I love the spiciness of it.
Yeah, so they know what's up. They know what's
good.
Oh my god, are you Fabio? Can I take a picture? Are you Fabio?
No.
Are you the YouTuber?
Yes, but no.
Are you the vlog? Can I take a picture? Can I take a picture?
Go away.
So we just finished eating our lunch, our late lunch.
Include me in the vlog.
It's wide angle, you're included.
Oh.
We just finished eating late lunch. Now we're having coffee at the mall. And we're gonna shop for Fabio's. Today is like a lot of shopping. So we're gonna shop for Fabio's tuxedo for Vienna. His work in Vienna. What do you want?
We're gonna have fudge now.
What are we doing tonight? Do you wanna go to Christmas market?
I don't know yet. I just wanna get my stuff done.
Half of that, that's so sweet. Give me some. Just give me some. Give me some.
See how aggressive it becomes when it's about food? Why did you buy that? I thought it was chocolate. He tricked me!
It's fun.
That's it, I'm done.
Here guys, we're at Zara. Fabio looking for his tux. I really want this jacket, but it's so expensive. Fabio's in the dressing room right now. He's gonna show you the outfit of the day.
I had to create some suspense. It's good, right?
The pants are too long.
They're a bit big, but that's the smallest size because I'm skinny. No, it's just because they're low. That's why. I just need to pull them up a bit.
Wow, you look like you're getting married.
It is beautiful, actually. It fits nicely.
I like your hair like that, actually. Yeah, I like your hair like
It fits nicely, no?
It does. But you look expensive.
To get the real one, the metal.
You look rich, cufflinks. Yeah, we can. Yeah, you look expensive.
I think it's looking good.
But you look so nice. You know we're YouTubers now, so there might be red carpets soon.
I like the shoes.
Are you gonna
I like them
hem
a
the
lot.
pants yourself?
Jacket is nice, right?
The jacket is so nice.
That's the smallest size.
It's the smallest. Oh, you have to cut that. But yeah, it fits nicely. The back looks nice.
Right?
It's tapered.
I just need.
You look like you're
Do they
getting
have
married
the vest
now.
and yeah, sorry. I have my hands busy.
Are you getting them?
Yes. I should get the shirt as well, right? Le Chateau, they probably have it, but it's more expensive. Thank you.
Thank you. There you go.
Give me the receipt. Yes, please.
There you go. Damage in our pocket. Damage in
Jesus
our bank
Christ.
account.
I swear to you.
But the
Yes,
outfit is nice though. You can wear it with whatever too.
Yeah, the outfit is very, very nice.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna rock it. Yeah, those are beautiful.
Never mind now.
They're beautiful on here. They're beautiful on here.
Like you.
They're beautiful on there. Let's go. Let's leave.
Let's leave. This is not the place for us. We don't belong here. So now we're gonna look for his cufflinks.
Yes. Sorry guys, I'm not vlogging because I'm carrying everything.
He has no hands. Let's go.
I wake up 7, so I'll just
Hey guys, so that concludes today's vlog. It's been a struggle for me because, as you know, I'm not super used to shopping. I just am happy with what I have and it was a bit of a struggle for me to find a new suit, but it actually looks great. I'm super happy about that, about the choice. I think it looks very, very nice on me and I'm so conceited. So conceited. Is it too shaky if I do this? No. Okay, maybe I'll hold it here.
So we went out. Just keep walking.
So right now we're heading back home. We're gonna relax a little bit before we film the next video, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.
We went out. It was daytime, and now we go back home. It's nighttime. It's
But
crazy.
it's actually only 4 p.m. So
Yeah.
it's super early, but it's already dark.
But welcome to Canada.
Yes, exactly. Anyway, see you all soon in the Philippines.
Are we going?
Well, I'm putting it out there. So, bye guys.
Bye, guys.